So in this video we're going to talk about the common error that we can face. So here we have one simple server script. So if we try to run this using the nodemon, so if we write nodemon index, so here you can see we're getting the error cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on the system. So this is the common error that we can get. So we have installed nodemon and everything is properly set, but still we cannot run this in the PowerShell terminal. But if we run the same script in the command prompt, so here if we run nodemon index, so here you can see our script is running properly, and that is mainly because of the execution policies of these two terminals. So the PowerShell has much more restrictive execution policy. So you can check that execution policy by using the command get execution policy. And if you wanted to really run the command, you can change the execution policy by using the command Set-ExecutionPolicy. And here we can set this to RemoteSigned. This will allow local script to be executed. Or we can use Unrestricted. So this will allow all the script to be executed in the PowerShell. But if we want it to be on the safe side, we can change the default terminal of the VS Code to command prompt. So currently if we open one new terminal, by default we are having the PowerShell terminal. So we can change the default terminal. So we have to go to the settings.json, and here we can set the default terminal. We can edit the settings.json, and here we can add the terminal.integrated.profiles.windows, and we can set this to command prompt. So if we just reopen this, so now you can see we have the command prompt as the default terminal now. So now if we run the script nodemon index, so you can see our script is working properly without any error. So either you can change the execution policy or you can set the default terminal to command prompt. So this is the script to change the default terminal, and I will put the script in the description of this video. So hope this video is helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.